St. Lucie County's Oxbow Eco Center continues their 2019 summer camps. This week, the Oxbow presents their LEGO Robotics and Coding Adventure for children 8 through 12. Using LEGO Mindstorm, EV3, and We Do kits, children work in teams to complete animal and nature-themed science experiments with robotics and coding.
Yesterday you learned the basics of robotics and programming, and so it was kind of structured. So today, if you look around on the computers, we have several different models that you're going to be allowed to choose from today.
With a summer education experience that does not slack on entertainment, campers spend their days completing hands-on missions and learning new skills. Some campers may recognize similar problem-solving experiments in STEM and Odyssey of the Mind courses.
The camp has many different programs that the children are introduced to. They'll be working with the LEGO Mindstorms, the EV3s. They'll be using the We Do 2.0 kits, learning how to program and build models. They're also learning a lot about teamwork, collaboration, and how to think critically to solve problems that they stumble across while building the models of robots. So they're working like little scientists this week, incorporating nature with technology.
Environmental learning does not end with the summer. The Oxbow Eco Center provides teachers the opportunity to connect classroom learning with the environment.
During the school year, we have lots of opportunities for teachers to partner with us. We offer school field trips that bring kids out into nature and connect with their school standards. We also offer in-school programs and teacher trainings throughout the year.